Roof vents are necessary for ensuring vital air circulation within a home's attic. Sometimes they're even connected to an appliance, like a dryer or a bathroom vent fan. As essential as these vents are, though, they have a major drawback. They're vulnerable to invasion by nuisance wildlife. The designs of the roof vents themselves, like box vents, mushroom vents, turtle vents, and more, aim to keep critters out by virtue of their shape. While this is a good idea in theory, in practice, the problem is that the vents are almost always made of soft metals like aluminum, and critters have no problem chewing right through them to access a home's attic. At High C, we manufacture a solution to this problem called roof vent guards. These guards are engineered from steel, and their diamond mesh construction allows for proper ventilation while keeping nuisance wildlife completely locked out. What are roof vent guards? Before we start, it's important to make a distinction. Roof vent guards are not the feature that sticks out of the roof through the shingles. That's the roof vent itself. Roof vent guards, on the other hand, are an aftermarket mesh cage installed over a roof vent. At High C, we manufacture a range of roof vent guards under our HighGuard Exclusion brand name. These guards are designed to be installed over the roof vents themselves in order to keep different species of wildlife from accessing your attic or the rest of your home. Why do you need roof vent guards? Any experienced wildlife control operator will tell you that the material and the design of a roof vent isn't enough to keep critters out. Squirrels, rats, raccoons, possums, they all have powerful teeth that can chew right through a roof vent. Once a critter feels the warm, moist air emanating from your roof vent, they can't help but want to take shelter there. Steel is too strong for an animal to chew through, and they certainly won't have the strength to pull off a roof vent guard that's been bolted down with 4 or more screws. Roof vent guard materials. At High C, we make our roof vent guards from 2 distinct types of steel: galvanized steel with a black powder coat, and stainless steel. Galvanized steel is a more economical, cost-effective option. It's plenty strong enough to keep critters from chewing through it or pulling it off its installation location. Stainless steel, on the other hand, costs quite a bit more. It is necessary in some instances, though, especially within 25 miles of a saltwater coast. Galvanized steel can't handle the abrasive, salty sea air. We've found that it will eventually deteriorate and rust in these environments, leaving the roof vent vulnerable to wildlife. Stainless steel, on the other hand, can handle these corrosive conditions, and we highly recommend using stainless steel roof vent guards if you're within 25 miles of a large body of salt water. Roof vent guard sizes. We've designed our collection of roof vent guards to install nicely over some of the most common roof vent sizes used on homes across the United States. If you have an 11-inch by 11-inch roof vent, for example, you'll need an 11-inch by 11-inch roof vent guard. It's also important to pay attention to the height of your roof vent. Some roof vents are relatively short, others may be a foot tall, or even more. Our roof vent guards come in heights between 4 3/4 inches and 13 inches to account for different roof vent heights. Finally, it's a good idea to consider which size mesh your roof vent guard should have. We manufacture our roof vent guards with 2 mesh sizes: 5/8 of an inch standard mesh and 1/4 inch tight mesh. The standard 5/8 inch mesh will include common critters like birds, squirrels, raccoons, possums, and more. The 1/4 inch tight mesh, though, goes the extra mile to keep out insects like bees, stink bugs, wasps, and yellow jackets. Should you get roof vent guards? Should you cover your roof vents with roof vent guards? That really depends. Frankly, it may be a bit pricey. The vent guards themselves cost enough money, but you also need to hire a wildlife control operator to install them. At the same time, though, wildlife invasion can be costly. Not only will you need to replace the roof vents themselves if they're damaged, but nuisance wildlife can also rack up thousands of dollars in damage to the structure of your roof, your attic insulation, and more. Roof vent guards are a long-term preventative solution that can potentially save you a lot of money down the line. They're a kind of insurance policy against wildlife permeation and damage. And yeah, they do cost a bit up front. But on top of everything, they can provide peace of mind. And that's tough to put a price on. If you're interested in finding roof vent guards, check out the Learning Center on highc.com or the HighGuard Exclusion brand. And if you're interested in more videos about handling and preventing nuisance wildlife, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on our future uploads. Thanks for watching.